This 2024 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 25 Res is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features a Driftwood interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, slide-out, spare tire kit, skylight, external shower, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, TV antenna, microwave, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 25 RES is 7,681 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.